Hello guys, I'm Azhar and in this video I will teach you how to make menus in a Python application. So menus are important because in some of our application we need to have menus, like in this PyCharm. If we take the example of PyCharm, we have a menu like file in which we have options. These are the options, and edit, view, navigate, code, refactor, run, tools. These are all menus, right? So to make a menu, we will make an object, we will call it menu, and it will be from class menu, and we will place it in the root window, right? After this we will use root dot config, right? Menu is equal to menu, right? Sorry. So what does this mean? Root.config menu is equal to menu. It means that we are configuring our root window, that our root window have a menu, and that menu is which one? That menu is this one, right? So after that we will make submenus, like here we have this whole line. This whole line is a menu, and we have submenus like file, edit, view, navigate, etc. These are all submenus. So to make a submenu, I will call this object submenu1, and it will be a menu from where? From our this menu, right? And after that, as we click on this file, we have a drop down function like this. If we click on edit this function, the whole option appears is a function. So to add this drop down functionality to our menu, we use menu dot add cascade. So what will this do? This will add this drop down functionality to our menu, and in this cascade we will give label, and label will be the name of the submenu. So it will be, for example, if we are replicating this, so it will be file, right? And the menu will be menu is submenu1, right? And submenu1, what will we do? We will now add these options like new project, new scratch file, open, etc. So for this we will call the submenu1 object, right? And we'll use add command, right? And in this we will add a label, and label will be, for example, here we see new project, so I will name it, I will write here new project, right? And after that I will set a command to it. So whenever this option is clicked, some command or some function will be executed. So for this I will make a function, for example, new project created, right? This is a function and we will define it here, right? And in this function, whenever the user clicks on it, it will print new project is created, right? And we can add another option like new. So for new we will again use the add command, right? The label will be new, and the command will be a function called, for example, new file, right? And we'll define that function here, define new file, and it will print new file is created, right? So now let's run it. So as here you can see, we have menu, file. If I click on this, we have two options here, new project and new, and you can see this dashed line over here. So this is tear off. How will we remove it? We will write here in the submenu one, tear off is equal to 0. So let's run it again. If I click on it, so now that line is disappeared. So in this, if I click on this new project, you can see here new project is created, and if I click on new, you can see here new file is created. So our menu is working fine. Let's make another submenu. I will call it submenu 2, right? It will be from class menu, and it will be from this menu, and again I will set the tear off to 0, and I will again add the drop down functionality, right? And its label will be, for example, now I want to make this edit, so here I will write edit, right? And it will be a menu, submenu 2, right? After this, I will call the submenu 2 object, and I will add command, and it will be, for example, what undo, right? So I will write here label and undo, right? And after that I will do not write the command here, as you have learned here how to write the command. After that I will make another option, and it will be, for example, redo, right? And after this we would have another like cut, right? So label will be cut, right? So let's run it. Let's run it again. Over here we have this underscore. It's fine now. Let's run it again. So as you can see, we have two submenus, file and edit. Let's click on file. We have new project and new, right? And if we click on edit, we have these three options, right? If we click on this edit, we have this separator line over here. This is a light gray line. So how to add this line to our menu? So for this we will use add submenu to .add separator, right? So it will add that separator line in our menu. Let's see. If I click on edit, so here as you can see that separator line. So it was all about menus in Python. I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like it, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.